Aquaponics is the combination of aquaculture and hydroponics that grows fish and plants together in one integrated system. It uses the best of all growing techniques, utilizing the waste of one element to benefit another, thus mimicking a natural ecosystem. It kindles a hope for food production in non-agricultural lands as well as the urban lands. Aquaponics is a completely natural process. The only input into the aquaponics system is the fish food. The fish eats food and excretes waste. This waste is converted by beneficial bacteria to nutrients that the plants can use. The biofilter provides a location for bacteria to convert ammonia, which otherwise is toxic for the fish, into nitrate, which is a more accessible nutrient. This process allows the fish, plants, and bacteria to thrive symbiotically and to work together to create a healthy growing environment for each other. In this system, water mixed with minerals and nutrients is exposed directly to the roots of the plants that can be supported by various media like coco peat and perlite. Center for Development of Advanced Computing, CDAC has developed automated aquaponics system with financial support from the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India. This facility is successfully installed at Guru Angad Dev Veterinary and Animal Sciences University, Ludhiana. It has been successfully tested for production of pangars, tilapia common carp varieties of fishes, along with vegetable crops of coriander, spinach, fenugreek, brinjal, capsicum, and lettuce. The installed system has 3 tanks with total capacity of 54,000 liters. Each tank has a diameter of 4 meters and 1.5 meters depth. Polyhouse has 90 square meters area with a capacity of 2,000 plants in vertical manner using nutrient film technique. The automation enables easy graphical user interface based programmable timing and monitoring of system. Control panel displays pH, temperature, electrical conductivity, and dissolved oxygen of each tank and programmability to set the running time for pumps. The polyhouse temperature and humidity is automatically controlled using foggers and fan pad systems. The solution is pumped into gullies where plants are grown with suitable supporting cups. The roots of the plants directly absorb water and minerals, and the filtered water is sent back to the fish tanks for reuse.
In this process, we save about 90% of the water usage in growing a given yield of crop. It's 100% organic, and then since it is locally grown, we also save on fossil fuel, which is avoided when we don't transport them. The negligible use of pesticides is there in this. The farmer gets higher income for his land, and lastly the fish as well as the plants which grow in this process both have better and much more nutrient values. And we rightly and aptly are promoting the slogan in Punjabi. We say "Machi di machi, fasal bhi achhi."
It is really a matter of pride for the university to host such a project in the university where we are checking the technology-driven agriculture.
I'll definitely like to congratulate the whole of team at Mohali, those people who have worked on it, and the collaboration which you had with the university. I wish you all the best and thank you.
हम सभी लोग जानते हैं तो इसमें करीब 80% से 90% इसमें पानी की बचत होगी और लेकिन ये 100% जिसमें कोई भी केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर, कोई भी पेस्टिसाइड, इंसेक्टिसाइड इसमें यूज किया नहीं जाएगा और उसके कारण जो भी हमारे शरीर का नुकसान होता उसकी बचत इसमें होगी।